Hello everyone, this is Dr. Faris from Dr. Emma Medical Consult and your dermatologist from the skin department, and I'm here today to talk about why you need to use honey wax in your skincare. But before we go there, please remember to subscribe, like, and leave some comments in our comment section. Honey wax, what are honey wax? I would say in layman's language, everything from bees, because it contains honey, contains bee propolis. This is one of the things that bees create. They form through their saliva and waste, which is said to be a great antiseptic. We also have bee pollen in there. We also have even the other things and the foods from bees. So honey wax is made up of everything from the bee. So why is it very important for us to use honey wax in our skincare? It is, first of all, a great antiseptic and antibiotic. It will prevent you from getting skin infections. It will also heal the infections of the skin. It will prevent you from getting acne, and if you have acne, your acne will start to fade away. It will enable you to stay away from eczema, so you will not get such infections, because there's a way those properties will protect your body and also help you heal. It's also a humectant. Humectant is basically like something that absorbs water, pulls water. So if you use the honey wax on your skin, it will pull water from your body onto the skin. So it will keep your skin looking very, very radiant and hydrated. So I also recommend it because of that factor. It's a natural exfoliator. If you use honey wax on your skin, it's going to exfoliate your skin. Exfoliators are what we use to remove dead cells. Dead cells keep coming through our bodies on top of our skin. So once you use the honey wax, it will help eradicate the dead cells, and your skin is going to look amazing and stay healthy. So it also has great antibiotics, like I said, antibiotics and antioxidants. So these are still very good for the health of your skin, to give you a youthful look, give you a very strong skin, and give you a healthy skin. So it is very important for us to use honey. Honey wax also is very important on your skin, because they'll help you fade away the scars on your skin and also help you eradicate stretch marks. Because of the natural healthy components they have, if you have scars on your body, if you keep using them, you realize that the scars start to fade away and the stretch marks also start to fade away. Then for those who use them for hair removal, it's very good because they reduce the growth rate, hair growing back on your skin, like the unwanted hair on our faces, on our legs, on our arms, especially with the ladies. If you use honey wax, the regrowth is going to be very slow, so it will take you a longer time to remove this hair. How do you use honey wax? You can do this at home, and I'm going to share with you what you exactly need to do. Get a half or a quarter a cup of honey, depending on how much wax you need. It's a little bit painful, so maybe you need to do particular parts of your body at a time. You can decide to do your face today, you can decide to do your legs tomorrow, you can decide to do your arms. You can keep doing it in phases on your skin. So get a quarter cup of honey, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. So you mix these up. As you mix this thing up, the mixture up, you realize it's grainy. It has grains. So when you mix it up, use moderate heat, very light heat. Put it on a stove and heat it as you keep stirring until the grains disappear, until the entire sugar dissolves into the mixture. Then put it down to cool. It needs to have a pasty, as in it's not supposed to be watery. It should be having some sort of thickness in it. So you put it down to cool. Clean your skin very well where you want to use the honey wax. Clean it very well and apply it. You can use a table knife. We need something flat like a table knife. You can use a spatula, like the ones we use to put down the tongues of people in hospitals to check their throat, something something flat like a table knife, like a spatula. You apply in the direction which your hair grows. You don't just apply it anyhow. If your hair is growing downward like this, then you need to apply it in such a position that is opposite to it. If it grows downwards, apply it to the position that is opposite to it. So you put a thin layer of the honey wax, and also put a cotton cloth. You can cut your rectangular cotton cloth different depending on the place. If it's the face, if it's, you can use that. So you put it on the paste before it dries. As soon as you put the paste, you then apply the cotton cloth. As it dries, give it time to dry. It's going to dry and going to mix up with the cotton cloth, and then you're going to pull off. But as you put the cotton cloth, you need to leave a few centimeters where you're going to hold and pull, because this is for hair removal. So you put a thin layer, put a cloth, a rectangular cloth made out of cotton, and leave a little extra 1 or 2 centimeters where you're going to hold and pull. So you put on the honey wax, put on the cotton cloth, let it dry, give it a couple of minutes, preferably about 20 minutes, 30 minutes, it will be dry. Then you pull. But as you pull, you pull like fast. You don't have to do it slowly because it's a bit painful. So it pulls, as you pull it off, it pulls out those hairs even deep from the follicle. This is very good for you because, first of all, the honey wax has those good components that are going to enhance the health of your skin. And on top of that, the hair will not grow back so quickly. It will take a very, very long time to grow back. So you pull off, then after you rinse with cool water, lukewarm or cool water, either way. As after rinsing, you pat the skin dry and apply your moisturizer. Keep doing this at least, maybe you can do it twice in a month. It is going to be very good for your skin, going to be very good for hair removal, and you will leave comments. You will tell me what will happen to your skin. So remember to subscribe, like, and leave the comments in the comment section.